Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, the channel where two wheels meet serious passion. Today, we're bringing you something special, and in-depth review of the much-anticipated 2026 Honda CRF750L. Honda's latest dual sport beast has made waves ever since it was teased, and now that we've had a chance to ride it, it's time to break down everything you need to know about this middleweight off-road adventurer. Let's kick things off with a first impression. The 2026 CRF750L immediately strikes a balance between aggressive off-road readiness and refined road presence. The front end keeps that traditional CRF identity with a high-mounted fender and compact LED headlight cluster that looks more angular than previous models. The headlight design has evolved to a sleeker twin-strip LED that not only improves visibility but also adds a fierce, modern character. The front forks, a fully adjustable show of 45mm inverted forks, look solid and scream performance right off the bat. As we move to the side, the bike's silhouette gives off that proper Dakar rally vibe. A slim profile with a narrow midsection ensures great maneuverability off-road, while the sculpted 18-liter fuel tank provides enough volume for long-haul adventures without bulking out the frame. The graphics package is sharper this year, with more defined lines and color blocking, especially in the red and white variant. It's unmistakably Honda, but with a fresh, modern flair. The seat is narrow towards the front and widens slightly for comfort, great for long days in the saddle whether you're cruising highways or tackling trails. At the rear, the design is clean and minimal. A lightweight aluminum subframe supports a slim tail section with integrated LED tail light and a compact license plate holder. The rear fender is tucked up high, helping with ground clearance and giving it that true Enduro look. The high-mounted dual exhaust system, tuned for better mid-range grunt, sounds throaty and purposeful without being overly loud. Now let's talk about the heart of the CRF750L. It's powered by a brand new 749cc parallel twin engine, derived from the same family that powers the Transalp 750, but retuned here for more off-road bite and responsiveness. It produces around 70 horsepower and 70 Nm of torque, which makes it incredibly usable both in urban settings and out on rough trails. What stands out is the power delivery. It's linear and smooth, but punchy enough when you crack the throttle in low gear. Honda has worked on refining throttle mapping and traction control settings, giving you 3 ride modes: urban, gravel, and off-road, with a customizable user mode. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slip assist clutch, shifting is light and predictable, even under load. For those who want an extra edge, there's also an optional quick shifter available. Suspension performance is as capable as you'd expect from a CRF lineage, with 240mm travel at the front and 230mm at the rear. It handles everything from deep ruts to urban potholes with confidence. The rear ProLink setup with a fully adjustable show shock soaks up terrain changes with ease. The braking setup includes twin 296mm front discs with dual piston calipers and a 240mm rear disc, equipped with switchable ABS. Braking is progressive and confidence-inspiring, especially off-road when you disable rear ABS for more control and loose dirt. On the road, it feels planted and surprisingly nimble for a bike of its stature. The weight, coming in at around 210 kg, weight is well balanced. It carries its mass low, making slow-speed handling much easier than you'd expect. Add in a tall but manageable seat height of 860mm, and it caters well to a wide range of riders. Technology-wise, the CRF750L now comes with a 5-inch full-color TFT display that's easy to read under all conditions. It offers smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, turn-by-turn navigation, and lets you toggle through ride modes, trip data, and bike settings with a handlebar-mounted switch cube. There's also a USB-C charging port under the seat, perfect for powering up your GPS or phone while out exploring. Now, for the part many of you are wondering about, at a price. Honda has priced the CRF750L aggressively in the middleweight adventure segment. The standard version starts at around $10,999, while the premium variant with quick shifter, heated grips, and aluminum skid plate comes in closer to $12,299. It's a solid value proposition considering what you're getting in terms of technology, off-road capability, and Honda's legendary reliability. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Honda CRF750L isn't just another addition to the dual sports segment. It's a well-calculated move by Honda to dominate the middleweight space. It's rugged enough for serious off-road work, refined enough for everyday commuting, and priced well to attract both veteran riders and newcomers. Whether you're planning to tackle forest trails, weekend backroads, or even throw on panniers for a week-long adventure, the CRF750L feels ready for just about anything. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Honda CRF750L. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Global Bike Buzz for more reviews, comparisons, and news from the world